Hello students. So today we are going to start the session with a very interesting game. With the help of those shapes you had made, I had explained to make the different types of shapes with the help of 5 squares. Okay, so you can play with those shapes on the chessboard like this. You can play with your siblings on the chessboard. The method is explained here. First player has to pick one shape from the set and puts it on the board covering any 5 squares. Likewise, the other player will take another chance, another shape and puts it on the board, but it must not overlap the first shape. It must not overlap the first shape. It must be in your mind. Okay. Likewise, you have to keep taking turns until one of you can't go further, and the last one, whoever puts the last piece, will be the winner. You can play it at your home. Now we are having the another topic of making the tiles. You can make the tiles like this. Ziri has made the tiles like this. Okay, and when she visited to a tile shop, she had seen different types of tiles, and these are the tiles which can repeatedly, if we repeat these tiles, they will make a pattern. After looking at the pattern, Ziri wanted to make her own yellow tile, so she had made her own tile also. It is of side 3 centimeter. So the area of this square will be, what is the area of this square? The area of this square is 3 into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. What it will be? 9 square centimeter. Okay, it is 3 into 3, because we know the area of square is side multiply side, and 3 3s is 9 square centimeter. So the area of this square is 9 square centimeter. Then she drawn a triangle outside this square and one more triangle inside the square. So she made the tile like this. Understood? Now we have to tell what is the area of this tile. It will be 9, because the triangle removed from here is joined here, so it will remain the same, 9 square centimeter. Okay, you can also make your own tile. Make a pattern using your tile. Trace the shape to repeat it on a page, but remember there must be no gaps between. You can make the pattern according to yours also, but it must be in your mind that it would be not repeated. Okay, these are the solution for the 12 shapes of making 10 into 6 rectangles, and these are the 5 into 12 rectangle with 12 shapes. Previously I had asked you to do this activity on your own. You can check out your answers if you had done correctly or not. Okay, so now what we are having is, Ziri has made a pattern using her yellow tiles to know the area of her tile. Okay, it is known to us how many tiles has she used, how many tiles are there. We have to count it. How many tiles are here, and what is the area of the floor pattern? Ziri has made. There are how many tiles? 1 2 3 4. There are 12 tiles, and what is the area of the floor pattern? 12 nines is 1 is of 9, so 12 are of 108 centimeter square. Now practice time is given. Ziri tried to make some other tiles. She started with a square of 2 cm side and made shapes like this: A, B, C and D. These 4 shapes she had made with the help of a square of 2 cm side. Look at these carefully and find out which of these shapes will tile a floor without any gaps. Discuss what is the area of these shapes. Okay, so firstly we have to tell shapes C and D will tile the floor without any gaps. Only C and D can make the floor pattern without any gap, and the area of these shapes will be 2 into 2 square. 2 into 2 means 4 square centimeters. Okay, now make a design in your copy by tiling these shapes. You can make the design like this. I have made the design here. Okay, design by using shape C is this, and design by using shape D is this. These are the designs we can make without leaving the gap. Now you create your own new tiles out of a square. Can you do the same with a triangle? Try doing it. You can make the tiles like this, or if you are having another idea to make the tile, you can make the tiles like those, and you can draw here which type of tiles you have made, so that they can make a floor pattern without leaving the gap. Okay, if you can use triangular tile also, yes, we can use the triangular tile also, and we can make the floor patterns without leaving the gap. So it is all for this chapter. So our syllabus is completed now. For the PT1, practice these things, and if you are having any doubt, any query, you can contact me. Goodbye everyone. Stay happy, stay blessed.